I have nieces who are, you know, coming into their preteens, and their mothers are like, you can do your hair. For the most part, they're both pretty good at doing their own hair. But I just wanted to do something for them to show them that, you know, you can have a really, really, really cute hairstyle that's not grown, not too grown, that you can do by yourself. Especially if it's outside of corn rolling, braiding, twisting, flat twisting, you know what I'm saying? When you're a young woman learning how to do your hair, you often want to learn how to also corn roll, flat twist, you know, do all of that stuff. And sometimes, just sometimes, you don't necessarily learn how to do that. So I wanted to create this series particularly for my nieces so that they learn how to do their hair. And I mean, you know, some of my nephews, if they want to learn too, they can watch the videos. But for the most part, they get haircuts. Their moms will do something to their hair. But if they want to watch it, they can. You know, they can do this on their hair too. Not so much put it in a ponytail because their hair isn't that long, but you know, moisturizing it and stuff. But anyways, I am gonna go ahead and get started and show you all how I accomplished this look. First, I'm gonna just put some oils on my scalp. And I got this from Curltastic, but I've been seeing a lot of people say that they've got theirs from Sally Beauty. But every time I go to Sally's, I cannot find one. But you can search online and you can find one. If not, a regular squirt bottle works perfectly fine. I'm gonna part it just a little bit more, and tie one section up because I want to actually wet my hair again, like all over. And I'm doing this because I am about to apply this product to my hair. This is a curl definer from Talia Wajid. It smells really good and I love the way it defines my curls for me, especially when I want to do a wash and go. So I sort of want to do a wash and go, but I'm gonna slick my hair back into a ponytail, basically. Okay, so go ahead. And it would be easier if you just got out the shower, you know, because your hair is already wet, or if you just got out the shower from washing your hair, or you just washed your hair. Okay, so now I'm going to take my curl definer and apply some to my hair. If you don't have a curl definer, which is fine, you can do this with gel. But this is what I use for my wash and goes. This brush I got from the same place as I got my squirt bottle, Curltastic. And you can definitely, or your moms can definitely look online for these products. You don't have to get them from Curltastic, but that's just where I got both of these products. And I'm very, very happy with them because when it comes to detangling my hair, it doesn't take forever. It doesn't hurt as much. And it's not pulling or tearing at my hair like normal combs, wide tooth combs would do. But if y'all want some of these brushes and a squirt bottle, y'all let your mamas know so they can buy them for you. Or just let me know and I'll get them for you guys. Okay. So my next step is I am going to pull everything back into a ponytail. Before I do that, I just want to mention, so I just detangled my whole head basically with this brush, and this is how much hair I lost from detangling. Very, very little compared to what I normally would get using a wide tooth comb. This is really good. I'm gonna use some Eco Styling Gel to help lay down my hair. So I'm just using this to lay my hair down. So I don't want to see any ridges, or you see here where it's like bumpy. I don't want that. So I'm using this brush to correct that. So I don't know if y'all can see this, but my hair is still sticking up. So I'm gonna fix that shortly. Until then, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail. This is where I want it. This is the hardest part, y'all. You got thick hair, or if it's long, getting it in a ponytail. Oops, I left it. Look at that. Got my handy dandy little scarf. I'm just going to apply. And let it sit for however long I choose. But I gotta move on to this part. And actually, once you have applied the products to your hair, you can either let it dry, but I want more definition in my curls. So that's why I'm applying more water and more products, because I want more definition. So this part you guys don't have to do, because like I said, this is gonna take me a while, because I'm going through and individually making sure that I have products on my hair, because I want it to turn out the way that I want it to turn out. So if you're not going to do this, and like I said, if you have followed just the regular process of like, you just got out the shower, you don't feel like doing anything too crazy to your hair, you can do this. Make sure you have your leave-in conditioner. Apply your curl definer gel. Make sure your hair is wet. Just slick it back, lay down them baby hairs, and you're good to go. I'm just gonna go through and do my whole ponytail. like this. So I'll be back. So my hair is not completely dry. However, my curls are defined just how I like them, and I am happy about it. Very, very happy about it. Yeah. So see, this is a really, really, really cute and easy, I think it's easy, hairdo. Just a slick back ponytail, you know what I'm saying? And your girl look good. So to my nieces, I hope you all enjoyed this video. To my subscribers, thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button now, and don't forget to like this video, okay? But yeah, that's all that I have for you all. So until next time, bye.